Pangit niyang pangit. Ang pangit mo, wala kang echo. Hello, yan may echo. Mamamas ko po. On a night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Oy, mamamas ko ako. Lonely the world is seen and near pining till he appeared, and the soul felt his worth. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices for yonder praise. New and glorious morn, all on your knees, who hear the angel voices of light divine, oh night when Christ was born. Oh night divine. Advance Merry Christmas, lalabs ko not so high. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, advance, lalabs. Slam. Yun, wak lang. Uy, Day! Si RV Zetro, hi, mega loud shout out watching from Kuwait with love, how is you? Nangaruling lang ko dahil kayo ano ko eh. Bitaw, very poor talaga ako. As in. Mangaruling na lang ako. Naglagay kaya ako ng Gcash number. Ikaw nakaka-touch daw ko magbibigay sa mas ko. Masyado naman akong pinagpala niyan, Lods. Lods, di okay, masyado ka naman. Ba't ba ang bitter mo sa akin, Lods, di okay? Sabi siya. Your hands, oh hear the angels' voices, oh light divine, oh night when Christ was born. Hi, Sachi! Namiss ko tuloy si Gabriel. Basta nakikita ko rin si Sachi. Picture ni Sachi. Hi, bye friend. Good evening. Big loud shout out from Cavite with love. Diba? Hi, Chong! Sumilip si Chong. Jan o Chong Piang. Thank you so much sa pagsilip. Watching from Cebu. Lingguan. Patawad. Ba't ba andyan kayo? Kung patawad lang naman makukuha ko. Uy, nangangaruling ako. Grabe sila. Pagbigyan nyo naman, minsan lang akong nangangaruling.